Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how you can check or see your TikTok password. So the first method is to check your device's password manager. So you want to close your TikTok application and go to your device home screen. Next, you want to open your password manager. On iPhone, you want to swipe down from the home screen and search for password. Now open the passwords application. Depending on your iOS version, you may also find it in your utilities folder. Next, find the password manager on other device. Now, if you are using another device, you want to open the settings and use the search option to look for password or password manager. Next, verify your identity. Now, when prompted, use your Face ID, Touch ID, your device password, or the security method available on your device. Next, search for TikTok. Now, inside the password manager, tap on search and type on TikTok. Now, if your TikTok login information was previously saved, you should see it in the search result. Now tap on the TikTok account. Now you want to look for the password field. You want to tap on it to reveal your saved TikTok password. Now the second method is to check your Google Password Manager. So to do this, first you want to open Safari or Chrome or another browser on your device. Now you want to visit google.com and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now you want to make sure you are signed in to your Google account where your password may have been saved. Next, you want to click on Manage your Google account and look for the password manager, or you can use the search option to find it. Now open your Google Password Manager and type in TikTok into the search bar. Now if your TikTok password was saved, you will see a TikTok entry. You want to tap on it, and Google may ask you to confirm your identity before showing the saved password. Now you want to tap on eye icon next to the password to view your password.